Good morning from Paris. This is literally such a change from my student accommodation in Montpellier. I literally just have one day here and I'm pretty much gonna wing it for today. Just walk around, but I'm definitely gonna go see the Grand Palais and the Eiffel Tower. But the rest we'll just see where the day takes me. Can we just give a moment to the room? Like, how cute is that? Hey guys, so I'm back in my hotel room after my day in Paris. As you can probably see from the vlog, I didn't really go into any museums just because I wanted to see all the key sites in one day. So it was a lot of walking around and I didn't really want to spend 3 hours in one particular museum. During the vlog you would have seen that I went into Chanel, but I didn't explicitly film the bag or, you know, the person helping me. I just felt like it was a bit rude to have a camera in her face while she's trying to do a job. But I figured now would be a great time to do a little unboxing because I do want to use it tonight. And I just want to put out a little disclaimer that this is not my life. This is my first Chanel purchase. I'm not trying to be a luxury blogger and I'm not trying to live outside of my means. Before coming to France and before I went on this year abroad, I worked really hard. I went from job to job and I worked a lot as well as going to uni to be able to afford this year and to be able to afford a Chanel piece because I knew I wanted something from Chanel. So I know all the rambling is really boring and you guys want to see the actual, oh my god, how annoying. The actual bag. What they do is they first tie the two little strings here with a Chanel ribbon, and I always like keeping these things because you never know when you need like rope in the house or something. So this is what the Chanel bag looks like. It's just a classic black Chanel bag with the white Chanel text and the white camellia flower. And if I turn it this way, you'll see that they've packaged it with white wrapping paper. Ooh. First time I've done this as well. I got this piece from the Paris boutique on Avenue Montaigne. I hope I said that right. Oh my god, I am learning French at the moment and I'm trying to get the pronunciation like spot on. It's still probably really crap. But this is the beautiful box. As you can see, the white camellia flower appears again and the white ribbon as per the outside packaging. The back looks like this, just a normal crisscross, how you would wrap Christmas presents. Whew. Let's see how this is stuck on. Oh, you just pull the ribbon like this, straight off. Voila, ribbon's off. Dun 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 dun, if this will come off. Now what we're seeing here is the actual bag inside the velvet dust bag. This is not the actual bag because I have to take it out of the box. Here it is out of the box. I'm going to take the actual bag out of the dust bag. So drum roll. Dun, 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 dun. This is what the bag actually looks like, and it's the Chanel Boy wallet on chain, or the WOC as a lot of YouTubers call it, in light pink, and it's in the grained calfskin, aka caviar. I chose the caviar because I've done a lot of research into calfskin and it scratches easily, whereas the Chanel lady told me that the caviar is better for everyday use. Alright, here it is up close. I'm just going to give you 360 view of the bag. I do like the more masculine look of the Chanel Boy as opposed to the Chanel Classic flat bags. And there's the Chanel chain, there's the stuffing. Oh no, this is, oh okay, so the chain is wrapped in a white wrapping paper with a Chanel sticker. It's not really that important, but hey, these little details, if you're buying a really expensive bag, you'd be really hoping that they package it nicely for you, not just chuck it in a dust bag or something. So anyways, I've just rolled that out. As you can see, it is still a wallet, so it's not as spacious as a bag. I mean, it's called wallet on chain for a goddamn reason. Excuse my French. This WOC has 6 card compartments, a little flap here for, I don't know, receipts and stuff like that, a zipped pocket for notes, coins, whatever you want to put in, another slot here for maybe boarding passes perhaps if you travel a lot, and then another zipped compartment up here. I reckon it's perfect for going out. You got your cards, your phone, a lipstick. I need my eye drops. Anybody who knows me know that I cannot live without my eye drops, and that'll definitely fit in there. I bought this specifically for going out during the spring and summer because I tend to find that my wardrobe has more lighter colors than darker colors. Here is the card of authenticity. I mean, honestly, if you buy it from the original Chanel boutique in Paris, you hope that it's a original. There is one funky detail that I like to share about this wallet on chain. Do you see the interior is this funky khaki color? This interior color is a limited edition from their cruise collection, and their cruise collection was the one inspired by Cuba, so that's why they've done the interiors in khaki. The exterior color and the style is not a limited edition, but the interior lining is. I'm gonna head out tonight because it is my last night in Paris. I arrived yesterday night, so this vlog is kind of like a one day in Paris thing. Anyways, talk soon. Bye.